today, my dear friends, is day 3, and we are going to be looking at the array instance called Copywithin. Now, the Copywithin method in JavaScript is an array method that shallow copies a portion of an array to another location within that same array. It modifies the original array in place and returns a reference to the modified array without changing its length. The 0 over here pinpoints this letter, which, as we all know, that the index of any array starts from 0. It pinpoints this letter, and then we are telling it to start from 3. And the third element in our array here is D. So in such a way, D comes in the place of A, and 4 over here is E, and it should stop at E. If we do a console.log, which we already did, if we do a node app.js, it's going to return us with this result over here. Now, what if we just had the target and the start, then no 4, then instead of 0, we say 1, and then 3. Our result is going to become, since every element of an array starts from 0, so this is 0, 1. So from the letter B, we are going to replace B with the third element in our array. And what is our third element in our array? 0, 1, 2, 3. A third element in our array is D. You got that right. That is the third element in our array. The result is going to turn out A, D, E, D, E. And why is that so? When you place a target when there are just 2 numbers involved, rather, instead of it to stop or end at E, is going to continue from the sequential, like it's going to continue from its neighboring elements, since we have no end tag, since we did not end it with any number. So let's look at that in our console. If we clear this out, and run the nodes app.js one more time, so we get ADET. Take a closer look at it, you will understand. And if you put more effort and make your research, you're going to understand it the way I did. So if there is no end, the Copywithin takes in 3 parameters. But in the case of if there's only 2 parameters involved, then we are going to have a target, which is 1 in our example, and the start, and the start is 3. And what position is 3, which is D? The letter D is in the position of 3. So we are basically going to start from AD. It's going to start from B, which is AD, E, because we don't have any end parameter, and then DE. And that is exactly what we have in our console. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you understand. See you in my next lesson. Ciao.